In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a video to GIF. We'll use a simple online tool called Cloud Convert, which runs right in your web browser. You don't need to install anything, and the process only takes a few minutes. First, open Cloud Convert in your browser. On the home page, you'll see an option to add a file. Go ahead and upload your video. You can click the button to browse your computer or drag and drop the file directly onto the page. Most common video formats are supported, like MP4 or MOV. If your file is large, give it a moment to finish uploading before moving on. A stable internet connection helps here since the file is going from your device to the cloud. Next, choose GIF as the output format. Look for the format selector next to your file and change it from its current type to GIF. This tells Cloud Convert what you want to create. Before converting, you can fine-tune a few settings to control the final look and file size. For example, lowering the width or height will make the GIF smaller and faster to share. Adjusting the frame rate, often labeled FPS, can also reduce the size. Try something like 10 to 15 frames per second for a balance between smoothness and efficiency. If your video is long, trimming the start and end within the options is a quick way to keep your GIF focused and lightweight. Keep in mind that GIFs don't include audio, so there's nothing to worry about on that front. When you're happy with the settings, click Convert. Cloud Convert will process your video on its servers. You'll see a progress indicator while it works. The time this takes depends on your file size and the settings you chose. Larger videos or higher resolutions will take longer, so be patient and let it finish. Once the conversion completes, you'll see a download button. Click it to save your new GIF to your device. After downloading, open the GIF to preview it. Make sure the motion looks smooth, the timing feels right, and the dimensions fit where you plan to use it. If the file seems too large for sharing on social platforms or messaging apps, go back, lower the resolution or frame rate slightly, and convert again until you're satisfied. That's all there is to it. Upload your video, select GIF, click Convert, and download your file. With Cloud Convert, turning clips into shareable GIFs is quick, reliable, and beginner-friendly.